Hi everybody and welcome to Sprint 5 of 1 Hour AppSec. I'm Laura Belmain, your coach and guide for all things application security that you can achieve in just 1 hour per sprint. In this sprint, our theme is making good library choices. So just like making good life choices, what we do with our libraries is important. Now, why does this matter at all? Well, how many of us truly build everything ourselves anymore? None of us do. Whether you're in the Node ecosystem or if you're in Python, whether you're in NuGet or Maven, it really doesn't matter. The ecosystem we have around us is fabulous and is full of libraries and packages that can solve common problems. And those packages and libraries save us a lot of time. If you remember in Sprint 3, when we were talking about embracing our laziness, that's what we do. Using other people's libraries and components is a really effective way of reducing the complexity and workload that we have to focus on. So where does this fit with security? Well, if we all accept, and I accept this, that all software can have security flaws in it, and functionality flaws, let's face it, then we have to accept that ours can, and so can theirs. So can the package maintainers. So can the people who build and write libraries. All code can be insecure code. It can also be amazing code, but it can be insecure. So if we accept that is true, and we just take the effort out of the discussion, then we need to understand what steps we can take to make sure that whatever libraries and functions that we inherit from others, that we're making good choices, that they aren't exposing us to more risk than we would like. In this sprint, we're going to take a look at what we call supply chain security, and that means the security we inherit from other people in the software supply chain. We're also going to talk to a real-life vulnerability researcher who's going to show us how their world works, how they find vulnerabilities in software, and that might be a real eye-opener for those of you who want to understand this ecosystem a bit better. And finally, we're going to take a look at how we would review a library that we're going to select for use in our project. So we're going to walk you through the steps you want to take and even provide a little template and cheat sheet of how you make that decision, how you decide this is going to be what I check for when I look at a library and decide if it's secure enough to use. So join us for this sprint. Remember to share this with your friends if you think they'll find it useful. Like and subscribe so you get access to new content when it's available. And leave your comments or drop us an email to hello@safestack.io. I'd love to hear how you're getting on.